In the heart of one of the world's most prolific mining districts, a bold, newly formed company is unlocking untapped potential. Welcome to Trident Resources, a company for investors to gain exposure to high-grade gold discoveries and resource expansion in Saskatchewan, Canada. Born from the merger of Eros Resources, Mass Gold, and Rockridge Resources, Trident is positioned for transformational growth. With over 75,000 hectares of mineral claims in a Tier 1 mining jurisdiction and well-funded for upcoming exploration programs, we're building Canada's next premier resource advanced stage explorer. Our focus is clear: drive value through the discovery, expansion, and development of high-grade gold deposits. We're advancing 2 gold deposits in the Ronge Gold Belt, an area rich in past production with infrastructure already in place and world-class potential yet to be realized. At the Contact Lake project, over 190,000 ounces were produced before the mine closed in 1997, but that was when gold was just $300 an ounce. Internal reports from Cameco suggest significant high-grade resources remain, and in 2025 and 2026, we'll be drilling at the project to tap into that potential. Then there's Preview Southwest and North Lake deposits that host significant historical resources that are relatively shallow. We'll be expanding and upgrading these historical resources through targeted exploration over the coming years. And at the Greywacke North project, there are additional historical resources with excellent upside thanks to geophysics and historic drilling. In total, there are global historic resources that total over 1.2 million ounces of gold at the project base. And one of the best parts, these gold projects are road accessible with power lines in place, a rarity in Canadian exploration. Trident has also some base metal exposure in the province. The Knife Lake project is an advanced stage multi-metal asset rich in copper, silver, zinc, cobalt, and gold. With an estimated 11.7 million tons of indicated and inferred resources, or greater than 200 million pounds, Knife Lake offers robust potential for growth through step-out and regional drilling. We believe this is a portion of a much larger VMS system waiting to be discovered. Backing this company is a world-class leadership team built for discovery and execution. Jon Wiesblatt, CEO, 20-plus years of capital markets expertise with a focus on mining investments and institutional strategy. Ron Nedolitsky, strategic advisor. Mr. Nedolitsky has been honored with the Prospector of the Year Award from the PDAC and Developer of the Year Award from the BC and Yukon Chamber of Mines. In 2015, he was inducted into the Canadian Mining Hall of Fame. Jordan Tremble, President, a proven entrepreneur with a deep background in exploration finance, M&A, and public market growth in the resource sector. Dr. Andrew Ramcharan, SVP Corporate Development, has raised over $600 million in past roles, including IAMGold and Rosscan Gold, with a global network in project finance. And our board of directors is equally impressive, bringing decades of geological, operational, and corporate experience to the table. Tim Termundi, PGO, has spent over 35 years in mineral exploration with an exceptional track record of operating across Saskatchewan and Western Canada. His success includes the founding and eventual $65 million acquisition of Copper Canyon Resources. Ross McElroy, also a PGO, is one of Canada's most accomplished exploration geologists. 35-plus years of experience, including major discoveries at McArthur River and Fission Uranium's PLS deposit. He ran Fission Uranium, culminating in a $1 billion acquisition by Paladin Energy in 2024. And most importantly, Ross has spent much of his career working directly in Saskatchewan's unique geology. Together, this team doesn't just understand the terrain, they've built mines, delivered, and created real shareholder value in this very region. Trident is trading at a fraction of our peers. With an attractive valuation relative to the peer group, Trident offers compelling upside potential. As drilling advances and resources are expanded and upgraded, we expect a re-rating in the market. We will be commencing a fully funded drill campaign at our gold projects with consistent news flow expected. We're deeply evaluating our land package, and we're unlocking hidden value through a focused, modern exploration approach. And just as important as the people is the foundation they're working from. Trident Resources entered 2025 with an exceptionally strong balance sheet and is well funded for upcoming exploration programs. We're drilling, we're advancing, and we're delivering results now. So why Trident? Because we are explorers with a vision, builders with experience, and investors in a future fueled by discovery. Join us as we unleash the potential of Canada's next great gold and copper district. For more information, visit us at tridentresourcecorp.com or find us on the TSX Venture Exchange under ticker symbol ROCK and on the OTC TRDTF. Trident Resources, discover more.